Hi everyone, welcome to Stitching and Crafting. Today I just want to show you how to put some darts in your pants waist if you want to make it smaller. So before I do that, I'm asking you please to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, okay? Now this is my pants. The waist is a little too big, so I'm gonna put some darts in it, okay, to make it smaller. So let's say your waist is 25 and the side and the pants waist is 28. You know you have to get rid of 3 inches, okay, for it to fit perfectly on your waist. All right. So the first thing I do, or you should do, is to like turn your pants the wrong side out, because I already know my waist. I'm just gonna eyeball the amount of inches that I'm gonna take in, so I have an idea of what the measurement would look like. So I already did one dart. Here it is, right here. So you can see I start from the top and I just slant it down. Okay, so you can see right here. That's how you're gonna do it. Take it from the top and taper it like that. Slant with a slant stitch. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you how to do the others. So what I did to get this one done, I took the this is at the back, okay? I look for a loop right here and the loop at the center of the back, okay? At the center back. So what I do is to put the two loops together like this. So when the two loops are together like this, I see it is balanced. So what I did now is to eyeball the amount of inches that I need to take in. Okay. So as I said, this one is already done. Now I'm going to do another one. Okay. So I'm going to take this loop and put it to the center back loop right here. I'm going to put these together like this. So you see the two loops together. Now I'm going to take a little from here. So I'm going to use my pin to pin it. So I would pin like this. And I will put another pin like that. So you can see it is slanted. So here, come all the way right here. So the dart will stop right here. All right, so I'm going to go on the machine and I'm going to stitch right here. When you're stitching, you make sure that you remove your pin because you don't want the needle to go over the pin. So I'm going to use the hand wheel and take the needle down. You have to, when you're doing this, you know that because this is jeans or denim material, you have to use like a size 16 needle. All right, because you don't want to be using a size 11 or 12 needle because it will break. Okay, so the thicker the garment, the bigger the needle size is gonna be. So forward stitch. Now I'm gonna go back to for reinforcement. Always reinforce at the end of your stitch because you don't want the thread to be loose. Okay, that's good enough. Cut right at the side. So right here you can see where I started from up here and slanted, it comes all the way down here. So you can see one dart is there. So now I have 2 darts at the back. All right. Now I'm going to go to the front. So what I normally do is to make sure that whatever I do at the back, I do it at the front because I want it to be balanced. I will not just leave it like this because I need some more inches to be taken in. So I need more darts. So instead of putting another dart at the back right here or over here, I take it to the front instead, all right? Because I know exactly the amount of inches to take in. So when you're going to take in your inches, you make sure that you look for the loop, these 2 loops right at the pocket side. You join these 2 loops together like this, and there you have it centered. Now that it is centered, what you're going to do now is to mark the amount that you need to take in, okay? So I'm going to mark it again with the pin. So I'm going to stick my pin in here like this. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it. So that's the first pin. Another pin. Gonna make sure. All right. So one thing that you need to know is that most times when you got the length of the dart is probably like 2 inches down. You know, when you're doing your jeans, you don't want the dart to be longer than 2 inches down. Okay. So there I have it. You notice again, it is slanted. Look, right, coming all the way from top, come down like right here. So there's going to be a slant stitch. That's how you get the darts. Now I'm going to stitch this. I have a habit of sticking the pin in my mouth. That's a bad habit. Don't try it. I'm so used to doing it, but it's not safe. So I'm going to take the needle down into the fabric. I'm going to stitch forward. Take my time. Make sure you, one thing you need to do is to make sure that you stitch slowly. All right, take your time because you don't want to go too fast. The material is thick and you just want to have, you know, you want it to be done nicely and neatly. So you don't need to put it on the speed stitch. Okay, so now I stitch forward. I'm going to go backward for a reinforcement. Remember, the fabric is jeans, so you have to take your time. Stitch slowly. I'm reinforcing. Top thread is broken, so I'm not gonna thread it anyway because actually it's the same procedure that you're gonna do to complete it. So there goes the other dart. If you notice, it is slanted. So now I have 3 darts. I actually wanted 4, so the other one will come on the other side. All right, so I'm gonna show you again. You look for the loop. Look for the loop right here to the side of your pants and the loop at the front. And you bring the 2 loops together like this. So it is balanced, okay? And you're gonna mark where you want the dart to start. So I want it up here. So I'm gonna stick my pin up here and mark the amount of inches that I want to take in. So it is. And then another pin right here. And then I'm going to go in the machine and I'm going to stitch down as I did before. So it's the same procedure. All right. So you see all 3 darts. Okay. So that's how you get darts into your pants, waist, when it is too big. All right. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your time wherever you are. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment. So I'm going to take back the outside. So I place the pants back and turn the pants on the right side. So you can see what your darts would look like on your pants. Okay. All right. So I appreciate you everyone. Again, thanks for your time. Bye.